Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to find Syrup or Maple Finance wallet address on Binance. It's very easy. As you know, this is the chart, and if you want to transfer your Syrup token to Binance account, it's very easy. You can open your Binance apps and go to your asset in the bottom right corner here. And then as you can see, there is add funds. You can click it. Then you can choose on-chain deposit, and then you can search Syrup. Click this one. Then now you have to choose the network. There are Base and Ethereum. It's up to you. Let's say I will choose Base, and this is the wallet address. You can copy it or scan it. That's it. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.